we have a very special, easy, delicious recipe that we stole from our friend Cooking with Kirby. We've made this recipe. It's his recipe for a green pozole.
So
but
good.
as Babe says, pozole.
I don't say it like that.
Are you sure?
That's you that said it like that, and
No,
it's
no.
actually pozole.
Well, whatever it is, Kirby, it is delicious. It has pork, it's green, it has hominy, it is rockin'. And since I'm going back into the hospital tomorrow and the hospital food is absolute trash, I wanted something good for my last meal before going back into the hospital. So Kirby's little recipe here is fantastic. So we wanted to, one, make a video, shout out to Kirby for coming up with this recipe, and two, because I want to eat it and I want to show you guys it. So, yeah, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have anything further to add? Or should I just keep talking?
I don't think so, babe.
Okay, let's get to cooking. Oh, last thing, we're going to be making this in the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker. If you have an Instapot, any type of pressure cooker, a Ninja Foodi, that's what you need for this. That makes it fast and easy. And yeah, epic. Okay, here we
go.
Okie dokie, babe. Are you ready for the shopping list?
Yep.
Okay, you're going to be the hand model this time?
Well, if you're on camera, you can point it out.
No, I'm not on camera, and you're not on. Nobody's on camera. Just that big old slunk of meat is on camera.
Okay. I was
So
gonna say,
let's
you
start
can
out
point
with
it.
about a 5-pound pork shoulder or a pork butt. So you need 5 pounds of pork butt. You need a bunch of cilantro. You need some chicken broth. You need some hominy.
How much chicken broth?
2 cups.
Okay.
We're going to add that at the end. You need some hominy. And Babe decided to get the world's biggest can of hominy. We are obviously not going to use all that. We're going to use about half of it. You need like 2 30-ounce cans of hominy.
But it's so good.
Babe loves it. And then we are going to need some tomatillos, about 10 or so, depending on how big they are.
Peeled, though.
Peeled.
After you boil.
You're going to need the juice of 1 lime. You're going to need 5 or 6 garlic cloves. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of Mexican oregano. And you're going to need 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. And then if you need more salt at the end. Last, you need a half an onion, and you need some type of pepper. So we got 2 different types of peppers right there. You can use bell pepper, you can use serranos, you might have to put them down a little bit lower like that. There you go. So you can use whatever type, Kirby says use whatever type of peppers you want based on the heat level. We're gonna cut and devein and de-seed these, but I thought that little combination of those 2 peppers would be tasty. So these are all your ingredients. Super easy, super good. Babe and I are going to start peeling the tomatillos and getting these peppers cut up, deveined and de-seeded, and then we're going to bring you right back. Okay, so bring a pot up to boiling and put in your tomatillos, our peppers, and our half of an onion, and all of that is going to come to a boil. It takes about 10 minutes or so, and you don't want to overdo it so they become a mushy mess. You just want to get them softened up because they're going to go in the blender in a minute anyways. So bring all those up to a boil, and then we'll bring you back for some blending magic.
I'm going to shove these down. We just pulled these out of the water, and they're perfect. They're not too mushy, but there's just a little bit too much. So I was mushing it down, and we're going to blend this first. All right.
How are you going to fit all that, babe?
Oh, we have a Vitamix, so don't you worry. Okay, are you ready?
There's a lot more stuff that still needs to go into that blender.
Yeah, we're going to start with this and get this blended down, and then we will move on to adding the other items. Okay? So, I'm just gonna start it on low. Do that. All right. So we got that blended. We are coming close to the top. But
I don't know how you're going to do this, babe.
because it's a Vitamix and I believe in it. Let's put our cilantro in.
You might have to transfer to a bowl and make a new batch.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I'm gonna push it.
Because there's still stuff you got to put in there. All the lime juice and the salt and the garlic and the oregano and oh boy, oh boy.
I'm gonna dump in the garlic next. Our oregano. Our salt. 1 whole lime.
Oh boy. Oh boy, I feel a spill coming on here. It is right at the top, babe.
Have faith in me.
All right, so we're over here at the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker. Babe is dumping a little bit in on the bottom, just to coat it perfect. Just to coat it. Then we're gonna put our big pork butt, fat side down. We're gonna make it fit. And I don't know how this is gonna fit. Babe's gonna make it fit. And then you're gonna take the rest of your salsa verde, and you're going to, don't mind the arm in the way. And we'll show you.
Sorry.
We'll show you right there. We go. All right. Boy, that is a full meatball, babe.
Yeah, it's gonna be so good.
Okay, now we got to put on our pressure cooking lid. All right, let's get it on. Let's get it on.
Let's get it on.
So the pressure cooking lid is on. It's on to seal. Babe's gonna put it on the pressure cook. She's gonna put it on high, and Kirby says it's about 25 to 30 minutes a pound. Looking at ours is about 7 pounds. So we're gonna go 3 hours is the plan. Since ours is a little bit less than 7 pounds, I figure 3 hours is good. 3 hours on high, pressure cook, and here we go. Okay, well the Ninja Foodi is building up pressure. You know, on any pressure cooker, it takes a little while for it to build up pressure, and then the 3 hour time limit will start. So, while that's doing its magic, we wanted to share with you guys a mail call. We got a mail call. We got a couple different things that are all awesome, and so we want to give a shout out to some people. But first, I would like to roll our top tier channel members. We're going to roll them across the screen right now. To the 7 of you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And to everybody that's a channel member, thank you, thank you, thank you. We cannot thank you enough. You guys are what make this little YouTube hobby of ours possible, all of the channel members. So thank you all so much. Okay, babe, mail call time. What do you want to do first?
Let's do the stuff from Booger.
Okay, Booger, 5,000 air fryer, YouTuber, super awesome. This is not the first time she sent us stuff. I'm excited, I can't even talk. So, I gotta go over everything she sent us. Let's start with the birthday card. Or you wanna start with the mayonnaise? So it was just my birthday, and she sent a birthday card. And it said, look like you had a great birthday, happy birthday. Gotta keep your hairless feet warm. And breadcrumbs are the best from Publix. Trust me. Much love, Booger. Thank you very much, Booger. So let's show what she sent us, babe.
Okay.
So exciting.
We have Duke's Mayo.
The second best mayonnaise
This
next to
stuff is
Kewpie.
really great.
Kewpie mayonnaise.
I actually like it better.
And now we have a debate. Is it Kewpie mayonnaise, Japanese mayo, or Duke's mayo?
So
Babe's really
like
loving the Dukes because Booger sent us Dukes before, and now it's almost gone.
Yeah.
And so we have that back.
I like it. It's not as rich. It's lighter. I don't know. But
I mean,
I don't
it's
like
good.
mayonnaise,
It's very-
so if I'm doing it, I think I like that.
Yeah.
Okay, my favorite stir fry oil, Sang's stir fry oil. We actually have links in most of our descriptions to this because it's so good.
And you go nuts with
I
it.
go nuts with it.
And we're almost out of our bottle that Booger
It's
sent us
so
last
good.
time.
Yeah.
Yes, it's
Okay.
garlic infused stir fry oil. You can use it in like stir fry on that, outside on the flat top griddle. We use it all over the place,
Yeah.
and it's delicious.
It's good. Okay, and then we have breadcrumbs.
With
that
complete
she sent us.
seasoning from
All the
Publix.
seasoning. Publix.
We don't have a
We
Publix
heard about
out here.
this place, so I'll be very excited to try this.
We don't have a Publix.
We do not have a Publix.
So, yeah.
We have an Albertson.
And what else? And homemade goodies.
She sent a scarf.
Was that for you?
She's a knitter.
That's not for me. I could look like I have big chains.
I think it's for me.
Oh, but there is something for me in there.
And she has already sent him 2 pairs, and he's gone through them because he wears them every day, and they have holes already. That's how much he wears them.
I love them.
So
they keep
these
my
are
hairless
slippers.
feet warm. In the
There's
hospital,
a name for them. I forget what she called
you
them.
put your little feet in here, and well, my size
your big feet.
my size 15 feet in here, and they keep your feet because I'm cold all the time now,
Yeah.
and I wear them so much that my toes pop through them because I wear them out. But they're great, and I love these, and now I have 2 more pairs. Thank you, Booger. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So thank you. We love everything you sent us.
Yes.
We get
It's
excited
so-
when we have little gifts in the
So
mail
fun.
from you. Oh, careful.
Next,
That won't fit your head.
Super Clean reached out to us and they said, hey, we would love for you guys to wear our shirt and to clean your grills and to try our product. And I remember growing up, my dad was an auto repair and Super Clean was an awesome product. So, Super Clean shirt, Super Clean hat, Super Clean sticker for my sticker board.
Multi-purpose cleaner.
Yeah, you dump that on like an oil
Says that
spill
you
or
can
something.
use it in the garage,
Yeah.
sports fields, the airport, transportation,
Yep.
the farm,
You dump it on the spill, it'll absorb it, and then you just broom it away.
wine.
No, you don't spill wine.
You're right. Just into my throat. Okay, and a nice letter.
Came with a little letter and then 2 other products that Super Clean sent us. So now I have no excuse for Babe to clean the barbecues. So shout out Super Clean. And last but not least, we got a new flag that we're gonna hang in the garage from our favorite guy.
Can't believe we don't have one of these yet.
Well, we have one now. Our Uncle Steve Shake flag, UncleSteveShake.com, the greatest seasonings ever.
They are.
And now we have a flag for the garage. So that's awesome.
Yes, so thank you everybody.
Yeah, we love the mail calls.
That was fun. Actually, it was really fun to go to the P.O. box and have so many keys.
So many surprises.
Yeah.
All right, so that's the mail call. Thank you to the channel members. And now back to your regularly scheduled fast forward 3 hours to when this is done and we do the next cooking steps, and then it's almost done. It's super easy after that, and then we grub down. Okay.
Yes.
There we go.
Yay.
Okay, so it's been 3 hours. We released the pressure. And what do we got? Oh. Yes. Let me get a little close-up of that. You can see it's just shredding. There goes the bone. You want the bone out. Bone in the sink. And now Babe is going to take the meat and she's going to transfer it to a different bowl so that we can shred it up, and then we're going to put it back in the soup. And it's going to be very epic. Babe's getting the bone out, a little bit of fat, and we want that meat. You can see 3 hours in the pressure cooker.
Oh,
It's fantastic, and it smells fantastic in here. Right, Babe?
that's right.
Now remember, I left a little bit of that fat cap on the bottom. I trimmed it, but I left a little bit on. So you can keep as much fat as you want in the meat, or you could throw it out, but you guys get the point. You guys can see how tender it is. And the steam coming off of it. Okay, so this can, what does it say on the front there? It's like 6 pounds or something like that. You don't need this much. So we're gonna do, I don't know, like half of this can. We like it. So you guys can put in as much as you want, but you can use the white hominy, or this is the Mexican style hominy. It's really, really good.
And then you can take the rest and you can put it in a pan and you can heat it up, and then you can put a little butter and eat that. And it's really yummy.
There you go. You learned it here first. Okay, so before we go any further, let's turn the Ninja Foodi back on. Let's hit the sear saute. Let's put it down to medium and start. Because we want this to get nice and warm with the hominy and the meat back in and the chicken, the 2 cups of chicken broth and stuff like that.
All right. Let's just start dumping in the hominy. And we're gonna do about half the can, you said?
Yeah. I mean, as much as you want. I know you like it.
Yeah, it's yummy. Two cups of chicken broth. And all of the meat.
You have a lot of eating to do this week while you're home alone.
I'm gonna have a lot of soup. I could probably just live on this all week and be happy.
Our Ninja Foodi almost isn't big enough. Might be time to upgrade to the 8-quart or something like that.
Yeah, it's a very inexpensive
And it smells fantastic.
flavorful soup. It is so yummy.
So now we're just going to let all of that come up to temp for a little while and just kind of hang out. Let that hominy warm up. Let some meat soak up some more juice. And then it'll be time to plate up. You're setting it up.
I'm just trying to figure out what's going to look best here. With the radishes. The radishes that you do not love, but I love. Yum. That looks good. All right. What do you guys think? What do you think, babe?
I think it looks good. I'm ready to grub.
Are you ready to grab down?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Okay, so you guys saw how easy the recipe is. Ninja Foodi pressure cooker. Super easy, hearty meal that now we have about 6 quarts of.
Yeah.
And a ton. But this is what I wanted before I went back in the hospital. Smells amazing.
Yeah.
I'm not eating the radishes.
Why not?
Because
Do it.
you know me and radishes.
You should try it.
Okay, hold on. I got to get a big old bite with the cilantro.
Oh, yeah.
I wish I could show them like a close-up bite. Ooh, oh, look, it's dripping. It's dripping. Oh, it's hot. It is so, so good, you guys. You guys, ooh, that was a hot bite. So we let it simmer a little bit on the medium setting just to get everything warmed up. It is warm.
It's very
But
good.
even using those 2 peppers, it doesn't have near no spice. It just has an amazing flavor.
Just good flavor. Not
So-
too salty. Here, you want to try it with a radish?
No radishes for me. Why don't you try it with some cilantro?
I did do some cilantro
Cilantro's the
and
best.
some radish.
Yeah. Ooh.
Lots of
Ooh,
hominy.
oh, I just want to. Will the camera
Very hot.
focus? Will the camera focus on the dripping bite? I don't even know. I'm making a mess everywhere. I'm
the radish?
gonna have a big old bowl of it. Maybe I could smuggle that in. Anyways,
Oh yeah.
that's a jam. That is the jam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.
Thank you.
All right. See ya.